to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we are going to tackle the pantry. We've really never done a whole lot with it. We've got a bunch of stuff in here from when we moved in. Some of it looks okay, some of it's just food kind of thrown in everywhere. So somehow this needs to be organized and straightened out, and it's really just a mess. And I've got some things stored in here. I honestly don't even know if I can move those out. I don't know if I really have anywhere else to put them. So got some aprons in here, all of our paper products and baking stuff. And those are the leaves that go into our dining table, and some extra stools that we use for a science lab. So this is what we're looking at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything out and just kind of start over. Okay, so I'm just gonna start taking stuff out, put it on the island, and then just kind of see what I've got.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now.
Pantry's empty. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the shelves in here and go ahead and vacuum and mop the floor. And then I'll show you what we've got. Okay, so apparently we are food hoarders. So this is all the food that was in that pantry, which is not that big of a pantry. Apparently we, in particular, hoard chips and cracker type things. So this is everything. And we have a bunch of cereal boxes with no cereal in them. Got a big mess here to figure out where to put all the stuff. I want to get organized so I know where things are. Then over here I have a stack of lunch boxes and bags and aprons and things like that were also in there. So now I'm going to start trying to organize everything so that I can start putting it back in. Okay, so I've got some storage containers. I'm going to try to get some of those and try to organize some of the stuff, get rid of some boxes, and start putting things back in the pantry. Okay, so I'm gonna try to use, I've got about 3 of these, I think. I'm gonna try to use some of these type containers for kids' snacks.
Yeah, I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, oh, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, I'm in love. I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah. Out of control, oh, it overflows. Ooh, your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. never lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now.
I'll show you guys the growing pile of cardboard that's being removed from the pantry as I'm doing this. Okay, so I've got everything back in the pantry now. Okay, so we've got the canned goods on the top, and then we've got kind of the ingredients like taco seasoning, things like that. Then we have some quick lunches, some pasta, and then down here we have the lunch boxes. And on the top shelf we've got rice and onions and potatoes, some bread. We have some cereal here, and then this shelf is we have all of our quick breakfasts like protein bars, pancake mix, and syrup, and then popcorn because I had nowhere else for it. And then right here we have the snacks, mostly kids snacks, and then we also have the chips. And down here are the forbidden chips, which you may not touch until the other chips are gone because those are not open yet. And then on the top we've got the paper products, and I've got some baking stuff like powdered sugar and things like that. Some muffin mixes, and then I've got the crackers and things here and our drink mixes. And then I put the aprons back in here, and those are the grocery bags. I did manage to move the dining room table leaves and put those in this little closet back here, which is kind of like storage underneath the stairs. So that helped a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I think it looks a lot better. I'm pretty happy with it, and it's just a lot more organized. All right, so project pantry organization is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
Love